Hi guys, welcome back to Sleaza. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. Today we're going to be making a trio of Glam Apothecary jars. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some of these crystal pendants. And these are Arrowhead Pendants. And I picked these up at Efavormart. Now off camera, I will be cutting this Arrowhead pendant with a hot knife. I don't have an electric hot knife that you can plug in, so I'll be doing this on the stovetop, but you will need to trim it down just a little bit. This is going to be the finial for the Apothecary. And you're also going to need some of this floral diamond wrap, and this is also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, event decor, lighting, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you'll need from Dollar Tree, you will need 3 of these Tealight holders. You're going to need 3 of these candle holders. And or you will need, well you'll need 3 of these like this little lidded jar, so you'll need 3 of them. And you can use this for your apothecary if you like to do that, but I'm going to go for a much smoother look on the glass, so I'll be using these candle holders, and I'll be using the lid from this jar. But you will need 3 of each of these if you choose to make the ones that I'm going to make. And from Walmart I have some peel and stick gemstones, and you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue to assemble this project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create these beautiful glam apothecaries, so let's get started. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Didn't these Apothecary jars turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. You can use these as apothecaries, candle holders, there's just so many different things you can use them for. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. Another super simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.